The suspended Chief Justice. Na asem asaba biem. Na asem a wode kwada court about we. Na maame ne say wode kwada court say ka court en suspend ana say nsem a ekoso about a removal no. Nipa bi ana say you abusing the right. Men kan say the court that she set no ene de the court is playing against her. Ono na ese court na ono no trusting so much no. Ene the court she doesn't trust it again. So what in krata mu a ho. As at the time na ye de asem we better johnmahama. The petition akwa president dadado. Na Ekufuado na je twetwe ye. Adan Supreme Court wo de na da wo de kawai na yemfa ma wo. Sisi a wo se de she's expecting Ghanaians. Sisi a na you don't trust the court. Wo san ba wo be kwa kofa Supreme Court judges for fra na say wo ne we mu na ekwa koye adu. Ye de maame we asem ekodan Johnmahama. This woman has always been on Johnmahama's neck. When say one kasa wo lawyers no, one kasa wa judge for no, obia ni hono ma wota wechi. Enka ade a Johnmahama ye no ka enya de pa anase ka obrichi constitutional anka judge for na amo kurom ha. Retired judges and a judge for be sorry agina ama. But people are not ready to defend you because what you are doing is not the right thing. One kasa wo kasa mu krampo untimi NC ni pi. Say Johnmahama abu constitution mra we, babu constitution mra we untimi NC ni pi. So madam, pack yourself. One kasa na wo kan wasem say the law is the law and the law ni be do e do wa ye be you. We say we biara akwa ba eba the boss TV. Me din ya de rahina na the boss TV atena say ya na ya manyo say. We say for yen che yen say mre. Yen mohwi enko the Supreme Court. Nsem esi wo hodo ana say yen court. Na Justice Torkonoo araba esaba. Ye the suspended Chief Justice. Na asem asaba biem. Na wo court na asem a wode kwada court about we. Na maame ne say wode kwada court say ka court en suspend ana say nsem a ekoso about a removal no. Nipa bi ana say it is a you abusing the right. Men kan say you abusing the right. No de kwada court. Na me be say justice you can say Torkonoo say is it by force to hold a public sector? Ade say free Supreme Court na ontimi ndidi ana ede ba de ede ben ya kan say janan na wagya no ewo Supreme Court wono ma on pese obafiri ho maame on kaman tie wai ne de ba de na wo Supreme Court wono ma wagya no ho won ka na yemfa ma no na won ko na Ghana for ya bre no. The court that she set no ene de the court is playing against her. Ono na ese court na ono no trusting so much no ene the court she doesn't trust it again. Me say wudua ababone a ubetwa ababone. Mama Torkonoo, we are tired of you. They can say human rights no. Why they didn't and I say why na infringe human rights? And now we call committee nanimu no. Obi de sake count. Obi de sase o dross mu. Obi de sase o brazen mu. What are you talking about, mommy? Ya brewo, we are tired of you. Pe bebe na tina wo. Na court ne nya wo dia. Now, ebusafo, se wo kwa ne nkrata mu a ho. As at the time na ye de asem we better johnmahama. Ekufuado. Sa ye can say this removal and now say sa asem we ye de kwata Johnmahama no. This is not the first time Ekufuado ti so no. Obi tro petition e de koma Ekufuado say the Chief Justice ya de bia enye. So this is not the first time obi di petition akwa koma president. The petition akwa koma president dadado. Na Ekufuado na je twetwe ye. Araba esaba Torkonoo osi enya ne den. We are tired of you, ya brew. Adan Supreme Court wo de na da wo de kawai na yemfa ma wo. Na mo kai se mamu we. Ono ena parliament pass ya can say anti-LGBTQ trumu parliament pass sa asem we. Ena Ekufuado obi tam sa nkrata nde hede court then Supreme Court say Supreme Court rule and I say Supreme Court enshen sembi wom. Mami we agent krata no to hold something which is very urgent. Ade na eda Ghana fo akoma so. Mami we agent ha krata no edit to ho. Na emom ekopie mu say Speaker I declare the minority and I say Speaker I declare MPP for as minority in Parliament. Afaya marking sorry area ebo no to pampers share dross ebo pampers ebo you can say powder. Don't touch me powder. ebo coat any suit eden krata akoma Torkonoo say Torkonoo ji na rule mame say speaker any kwan say obeka say yenya MPP minority mame we ji krata no 12 o'clock edru ewia 2 o'clock na mame we apejade for mama rule sa case no e dia tia speaker of parliament uka say refi o asema na eda Ghana fo akoma so mame ne je to ho na asema ehu hia eno na mame no eye den ejiye sisi I was there she's expecting Ghanaians sisi na wo say you don't trust the court wo saba wo be kwa Supreme Court judges for fra na say wo ni we mu na ekwa akoye aju ye de mame we asem ekodan JohnMahama. This woman has always been on JohnMahama's neck. When say one kasa wo lawyers no one kasa wa judge for no obia ni hono ma wota wachi enka adia JohnMahama ye no ka enya de pa anase ka obrichi constitutional anka judge for na mo krom ha retired judges and a judge for be sorry agina ama. But people are not ready to defend you because what you are doing is not the right thing. John Dramani Mahama didn't breach any constitution. One kasa wo kasa mu krampo untimi NC ni pi. Say JohnMahama abu constitution nimrawe babu constitution nimrawe untimi NC ni pi. So madam, pack yourself o. Mami we ye wahadum ena wo kwa committee enim. Na me bisada bia say wo kwa committee enim no wo kwa swear the oath of secrecy which is a yes. Because answer no be kwa committee enim no e was say wo swear the oath of secrecy which I am sure, very sure that say the acting chief justice and now the committee name will swear oath of secrecy. You can say oath of secrecy. I did a course ever committee, the back committee, who was the public person. Mamu we busa marano, eba monte, eso camera scene so, e catch the Ghana for say. A seminar was a yes secret, or no mamma no any secret to the extent to say she even made the public know the location of baby cry dinner assembly. Meanwhile, Ghana mrakesi e boy ho ban no e kire say ye chief justice and now say the chief justice e ko gina simpie ni ana committee bi ani na ye di na asem a e wo say ye secret if say chief justice or ye nipa wodi mu enti wo say na asem e be kwa abontene ye hohoro ye draws e wa abontene and so chief justice e be hohoro ne draws e wa abontene and you are expecting Ghanaians to give you and now you are expecting the committee to give you another chance. Just go to the committee. Wa sema wo ka bia kwana ko ka kire committee no. Na ebusuafo, obe bisa se nneoma ba na maame ne e ka ho asem. Wo se ono no ko committee na nimu. Committee ni empene emma ne kunu emmetena asem no mu bi. Maame, e wo asem na e ka o, enya wo kunu. Your husband is not a judge. Enti wo pa kire se ya wo ko ye ka ne sen court. Na wo kodi obi asem a, aya na committee wo kunu betena wo nchen ana. Ye kodi asem o. Enya love issue ena ekwa kodi no ho enya busi asem ena ekwa kodi maame pake wusi nchen wan kasa na wo kan wasem said the law is the law and law ne be diwa ye be yu bra maame pake wusi nchen obeka nsem bebre wo wi akire wo say adenya Madam Torkonoo wade kodi e eda ho no ka na emfa ma wai wade kodi a eda ho no yesrew ka na emfa ma na ya brew. There are several cases which were supposed to be in parliament and which were supposed to be ruled. Mamu wajin semri bebre na tenafo. Aden. Osono mami aden. MPP ne fa wa into jail. You this woman told us say there is no law e kire say wo mami Torkonoo wutimi fa wabusuafo entukwan. Yenka asema fa wabusuani entukwan na emom not at the expense of Ghanaians. So what did betu kwan on private base e one kasa bottom and there was a demand. Mami we etna krom ha estam yanya taxpayers money e de fa ono no kunu ne ba and first class and among the two kwan ekodi ni kwa de bia na omani kunu per diem omani ba per diem. Is this what the state asked you to do? This woman breach all procurement breach and now what the contract command ba conflict of interest. What's it there? Yen fa ba yen sama umara ndi Ghana so ana yen sama umra be head Supreme Court what catch you say JohnMahama wa the copy of the petition, but you were able to tell us what is in the petition, and even you were able to tell us the petitioners. Mami, we are tired of you. Why? Ya bro, when said the law is the law, and what we say after all this buhahano no lawyer and I said no judge aba bontene say obe support chief justice yes sir kasongo 99 afeyo market wo de say nya agenda wo de ti asem afeyo market kan of parliament the MPP ti asem MPP for kan of parliament.
Government must focus on issues of governance, creating jobs and helping better the lives of the people. We are still aware that a lot more are being dismissed from various state institutions that are even very independent and are limited liability companies and whose budgets do not rely on government budgets. They are very independent, who have recruited people for 18 months, 12 months, and they are just being sacked here and there. Government must take note of it. We are also concerned about an attempt by certain individuals in government to push for the removal of the Chief Justice. The judiciary should not be seen as part of the partisan political system in our country. All we need is to have an impartial judiciary to dispense justice. What is happening is unacceptable, and it's clear that the NDC government wants to infiltrate the judiciary and make it partisan. But my advice to all judges in the country: stand together. Let not somebody create an impression of one of you and think that by dislodging one of you, you will be the next. The next day, you would also be the next. So judges in the country must stand together. The judiciary must stand as one body and make a full statement to condemn this act. The Ghana Bar Association must also stand for the judiciary. Civil society organizations must stand for the judiciary. All these flimsy, pedestrian excuses, looking at what is out there, I mean, you wonder whether these are real, grounds for the removal of a Chief Justice. And, well, this is NDC for you. Some hardliners are still pushing for it. So I would plead with President Mahama. I see him as a statesman because this is his last and final term. So he's no more part of the mainstream politics. He should be looking at leaving a legacy. The hardliners in NDC should be kept on the fringes. They shouldn't be allowed into the center to disrupt the governance process, because they would want to remove everybody, and that will not be good for our democracy.
Now, that is the MPP. Omo feel say, yeah, touching, and I say we are touching the democracy of the judiciary. But let me tell you, nobody is touching democracy of any judiciary. Mame no, she's not fit for the job, and then nobody, we are not going to entertain her because it's promo. Mame, Chief Justice, the law is the law. Akram.